What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add someone to Spotify family plan. So make sure to stay until the end of the video and find out answers to all of your problems. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you keep alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to join Spotify family plan. So how does it work and how to do it? So it allows up to 6 people who live at the same address in the family plan, but how does it actually work? So it allows, as I said, 6 people living at the same address to share a single premium account. The share is the plan manager who bought the plan of the family has to invite family members and they need to accept invitation. So how to add someone? So you need to open your Spotify through spotify.com account. Now scroll down to manage your family account. Here you can see the plan members you added before. Click invite someone. The invited member must enter a valid address to join your family plan. It may reject your invited person because of wrong address proof. Spotify only allows those family members to stay under the same roof or the same address, so be careful when you enter your address as joining member on the Spotify plan family. So Spotify can only accept your access if you enter a valid address. So here is the guide. So after you receive an invite link, you need to click accept invite, then log in through email or password or create a new Spotify account. Here you need to put the exact address of your living place and tap find address. Again, review the address and confirm it. So how does it verify address? As an invited Spotify user, you need to verify your address when joining the Spotify, but most Spotify users need to learn how Spotify verifies it. If your family, so basically if your verification was rejected, you have 7 more days, and basically that's the way to join Spotify family plan. Guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in next one. Goodbye.